happy Vlogmas. For today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my room. I don't know how my room be getting, actually, I know exactly how my room be getting messed up. My room be getting messed up because I be leaving clothes on the floor. But yeah, we're going to clean my room for today, get back into that Christmas spirit. You know, New Year's coming, so I need my room to be clean and stay clean. And if I wait any longer, my room's going to get dirty. And let me see, I think today's the 20th. Not my thing, not trying to show. I think it's the 20th. Oh shit, it's the 21st. Okay, so yeah, it's the 21st. My boyfriend will be here in 2 days, which also gives me a reason to clean my room. But y'all, look, this is my room. Yeah, she's looking crazy, y'all. I just did a little laundry this morning, so these clothes up here are all clean. I also have some food on too because I haven't ate yet, so I think I'm gonna start off by putting my laundry up and then making my bed, and then start off by getting everything on the floor and making a dirty clothes basket. Maybe try and get some washing done tomorrow, because what's making my room dirty is all of my laundry, so we need to get to that. Okay guys, so my room is officially clean. Y'all see, look at Hazel. Period. Show you guys from this angle. Yes. And yeah, y'all, so now that my room is clean, I feel so good. Look at my babies. Hey, Super Ninja. guys, but that is the end of this vlogmas. Hope this motivates you to clean your room. It's crazy because I literally already did a video like this, but I always get my room messed up so easily. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and bye.